Today we're going back to the streets of Korea and having Gilgeori Toast, Korean street toast. It's crispy, grilled, lots of butter, with sweet and savory vegetables, egg patty. The ingredients are 2 slices of bread, cabbage, carrot, spring onions, eggs, ham, cheese, butter, ketchup, and sugar. Use a 250 ml jug to fill with chopped vegetables to make the egg patty. We don't want to overfill the jug as the ratio with the eggs won't work. Finally, chop the cabbage and 2/3 of it will go into the jug and the rest of it on the side. Finally, slice the carrot and also add 2/3 of it into the jug. Finally, chop the spring onion and add all of them into the jug. Crack the eggs in a separate bowl, season with salt and pepper, and mix well. Add the vegetables from the jug and mix well. I prepared my pan on low-medium heat. I warmed up my ham first, then greased the pan with some butter and poured in the egg mixture. I tried to spread the vegetable as thinly as possible, but with the same height as the toast. On top, I put 2 slices of bread on the mixture with a little gap in between and let it cook. When the egg mixture is fully cooked, add some butter on the top of the bread, and now let's flip. And move the toast around so the butter would melt and coat the toast evenly. Sprinkle the sugar and drizzle with ketchup. Layer the ham, cheese, and the rest of the cabbage and carrot. Fold it in half and we are ready to serve. I wrapped my toast in some sandwich paper and sliced it in half. Look at this. 짜잔! Korean street toast. Serve it with some milk and enjoy the taste of Korea. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 안녕!